Okay, this unbox. This is a 1500, well, I hope I haven't unboxed it yet, but it's a 1500 watt, and that runs all the grinders, the linishes, the compressor, and Tormic on the truck. But I had a bit of a problem about 3 weeks ago. I left some rag behind the fans of the inverter, and it stopped the airflow and it overheated and died on me. So I thought, well, I'll buy another one, which I did, and here it is. So I'm going to unbox it. I will highly recommend this mob, and no, I'm not getting paid for it. I bought it. It's manufactured in China, but I tell you what, it is a really good unit. If you got it on eBay, I think it was about 175, 189. I think it was 189, and they said make an offer. So I made an offer for 175, and they sent it to me. Very, very quick. And if you've got any dramas, they answer you within about half an hour or an hour or so. Oh, that's just something that it tells you how long something's going to run or what drain if you're using. 850 watts with just over a horsepower. On a 100 amp hour battery, it'll go for an hour and 2 minutes. That's not bad. Okay, what have we got? This is a great feature. I love this. It's a remote control. What it means is when I'm in the truck, I don't have to go around and physically pull everything apart and turn this on. I've got it mounted in the front of the area where I work, so I just press that and on it comes. Oh, they're a sturdy unit too, I tell you. That's the battery cable, and even that, I mean, it's not pathetic battery cable, it's pretty good stuff. Nice and heavy with decent sized terminals on it. I can open it, there we go. This is 1500 watt, and that was the problem on the back there. One of my bundles of cloth that I used to wipe things fell down and cut the fan off. And I don't know what it weighs, I'll tell you what, it's pretty substantial. Okay, 7 pounds 4 ounces, or in clicos. Oh. It's just over 2¼ kilos, so you can imagine it's got a bit of weight in it. And the one that I blew up or overheated, I actually pulled apart to have a look at it, and it's got some serious components in there. They're really heavy duty stuff. So yeah, it's nice. And we've got 2 outlets in the front, 10 amp, and then you've got an on-off. But if you're using this remote, you don't need the on-off, you just leave it off. So anyway, I will wire that in and I will show you it in situ. There it is installed. All the wiring done in the back. There's the remote switch, and we'll turn it on. Straight away the mini compressor kicks in, so it's good enough to run that. Got enough to run the grinder. These are a bit rusty, need cleaning up. So put a fair bit of pressure on that. Tormic T8. The key to grinder. Main grinder. And linisher. Turn that off. And that's the battery that feeds the inverter, and that's actually housed in a toolbox slung under the tray of the ute. So all in all, a very nice, tidy little system, economical to run. And that's the back of the mobile workshop that I can take to my workshop, and when I go out bush, if I break down, I'm taken care of. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video of the unboxing and saw the inverter at work. It is a great little unit, and I wouldn't be without it. And if it wasn't for me doing the wrong thing, I'd still be on my first one. So there you go. This is Steve, not pulling the shed door now. I'm actually pulling it up so I can go inside because it's air conditioned, because it's really hot out here. But remember to keep it sharp, but more importantly, keep it charged, keep it safe, look after yourself, be kind to each other, and I look forward to having you in the workshop at the bench again very, very soon. Bye for now.